India versus Australia. Third test match. Start 14 December 2024. Team playing 11. Australia team playing 11. Number 1 Nathan Sanvi. Number 2 Usman Khwaja. Number 3 Marnus Labuschagne. Number 4 Mitchell Marsh. Number 5 Travis Head. Number 6 Steve Smith. Number 7 Alex Carey. Number 8 Mitchell Starc. Number 9 Pat Cummins. Number 10 Nathan Lyon. Number 11 Scott Boland. India team playing 11. Number 1 Rohit Sharma. Number 2 Yashasvi Jaiswal. Number 3 Shubman Gill. Number 4 Virat Kohli. Number 5 KL Rahul. Number 6 Rishabh Pant. Number 7 Nitish Kumar Reddy. Number 8 Washington Sundar. Number 9 Harshit Rana. Number 10 Jasprit Bumrah. Number 11 Mohammad